Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of cases, maybe over 10,000. I have a firm dedicated for resolution. I worked at IRS for a decade. I was a national teaching instructor for IRS many, many years ago. I have a team just dedicated for resolution only. Nothing fancy about us. We're just really good. Listen, today I want to get into what you need to know. The IRS 504 notices are being sent out in mass. The IRS Final Notice is their final notice before they're going to take enforcement action on your assets. You need to know that. Some of the letters you don't need to pay as much attention to. This one, it's the wake-up call. It's the Big Daddy. It's the Big Johnson. It really is. IRS has suppressed all their 504 notices going back before COVID. So now IRS all of a sudden, I have a big Facebook following, and we all post what's going on. All of a sudden, boom, they're sending these letters out. Wow, 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 we didn't know. So if you have a 504 notice, you must take action. Either do this yourself, hire someone else, whoever, because IRS is going to follow up on that letter, and you have 30 days really to do so. The final notice gives IRS, listen to me, the right to file a federal tax lien. It gives them a right to levy. It gives them a right to garnish your wages. You'll get another letter 1058 after if you want to appeal that, but now is the time at least to have an exit strategy. By the way, you're not supposed to be looking at my treats. My treats. Well, I'll let you see my treats. I got Christmas boxes over there. Anyway, I do these at home. I'm very casual. I've been doing this for 51 years. So this is the big word to you. Take action. Make sure all your tax returns are filed. Listen, the most important thing you have to know, the most important thing, if you're going to call IRS yourself, don't make a knee-jerk reaction. You need to know what IRS is going to say on the other end of this phone. I know because I work the other side. IRS is going to want to close your case to stop the process. And getting that financial statement, if you don't understand what IRS is going to do with your income and expenses and how they're going to limit your expenses, and you could wind up with a big payment agreement, don't call them until you know. Do more research if you're doing this yourself. I have a bunch of YouTubes on the national standards. If you need representation, we're always here for you. You got the truth. Make sure you're current on your estimate payments if you can. Thank you. Give me a subscription if you would. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much.